Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got something super exciting for you. We're going to learn how to create those viral images you've been seeing all over social media. Yes, the same ones that are blowing up feeds and racking up millions of likes. And here's the best part. I'll show you how you can make these stunning images right from your phone with just one click. Stick around till the end, because I've got a little bonus tip that will help you create even more eye-catching designs. Now these images are known as Gabali art, and they're trending everywhere right now. If you want to hop on this trend, you're in the right place. The video title, How to Create Viral Gabali Art Images in One Click, says it all. And I'll explain exactly how. To get started, you can use either ChatGPT or Grok AI. But here's the thing, the free version of ChatGPT won't support this feature, so we're going to go with Grok AI today. If you have ChatGPT Pro, feel free to use that too. Step 1. Head over to Grok AI's website and sign up for an account. Step 2. Once you're in, tap on this icon right here. Step 3. Click on Select File and upload the photo you want to transform into a viral Gabali art image. Once your image is uploaded, you'll see a prompt appear on your screen. And just like magic, your viral image is ready. The great thing is, you can repeat these steps as many times as you want to create tons of amazing images. Bonus tip. Here's a pro tip. Try experimenting with different styles and angles of photos before uploading them to Grok AI. This way, you can create a whole collection of unique images and really stand out on social media. Now I want to hear from you. Which image style are you most excited to try first? Drop your answer in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel with the notification bell on so you never miss out on our latest creative ideas. See you in the next video with more exciting topics and tips.